I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bro.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you our third installment of modifications on our project Porsche Taycan. Today we're going to show you our VR forged custom wheels that we made, along with our VR performance lowering links. We even did a really cool chrome delete kit around the window trim to finish the Taycan package off amazing. So let's dive into these parts, show you what they're about, and get to it. New for 2021, Vivid Racing has developed its own line of VR forged wheels. These wheels are going to differentiate from a lot of different other brands because we're going to have these wheels in a box ready to ship. These are made specifically for cars, but they will not take 6 to 8 to 10 weeks because they're in a box ready to go. So what we've done for the Porsche Taycan is this very specific set in a 21 by 9.5 and a 21 by 11.5. The offsets, we've made them a little bit more aggressive so the wheels are flush to the fender, and this is our DO4 style. It's got a really cool split 5-spoke. Really lets the brake come through so you can see those massive calipers that are behind the wheels. Very exclusive to the Taycan. So these VR Forged DO4 wheels are available on our website for the Porsche Taycan, as well as other Porsches and other vehicles like the Toyota Supra, the Audi R8, the BMW M3, M4, and many more. So you can check more of those out on our website. The Porsche Taycan has a electronic lowering system. It's actually on kind of an airbag setup. So we wanted to lower the Taycan down a little bit more than the factory settings of standard, lowered, and low. So what we did was we made our VR performance lowering links. This is an adjustable link that uses ball socket ends and allows you to set the ride height to be even lower. These links are sold as a kit, all 4 of them, and they're actually very easy to install. You can see at the Porsche dealer, these things snap on in about 5 minutes, as long as you can access behind the wheel. Lowering links, great mod. $200, something to give your Porsche Taycan a nice lowered look. Many manufacturers will do chrome window trim around the entire car, and that just doesn't look good because most of us, black wheels, some type of dark accents, either way, the chrome trim kind of looks tacky, to be honest with you. Now, Porsche has an upgrade when you pre-order the car. However, if you didn't get it and you want to do black trim, we now have available a black trim kit. So what we do here is we have a vinyl pre-cut kit, and that fits over the entire chrome trim. So we've got the top part, the bottom part for each door, and all the way around. Very similar to what you see guys with Teslas do and other cars. So doing a chrome delete kit is common, fairly easy, and if you're not comfortable, you can take these over to any type of vinyl shop and have them put them on for you. You can see now, once the chrome is gone, the stealthiness, the quality, the finish of our Taycan Turbo is just about perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed the third installment of our project Porsche Taycan Turbo. We've done some very cool modifications to change the look of it. You know, and there's really not a lot you can do for the electric cars, but we've done as much as we can and it made a difference. We still have one more thing coming up for you to check out, so you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button, make sure you like and leave a comment, but definitely come back soon because we're gonna show you something new real soon. Stay tuned, we'll see you guys at the next one.